In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello to your Google Calendar. So, if you're looking to streamline your task management and keep everything organized in one place, you're in the right spot. Let's dive in and explore how easy it is to get started with syncing these two powerful tools together. First, you'll want to navigate to your calendar view within your Trello board. This is where you'll find all your scheduled cards in a calendar format. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Sync to Personal Calendar. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this action will prompt you to enable a link that will allow Trello and your personal calendar to communicate. Once you've enabled this link, you'll need to copy the URL that's presented to you. An easy way to do this is by highlighting the URL and pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using a PC, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This will save the URL to your clipboard, making it ready to use in the next step. With the URL safely copied, let's switch over to Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar in your web browser, and you'll notice on the left-hand side a section that says Other Calendars. Just underneath it, there's a small plus icon. This is what you'll be clicking next. When you click the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering several different options. Select from URL from this list of options. What we'll be doing now is pasting the URL you copied from Trello into the box that's provided. Simply click in the box and then use Ctrl+V or Command+V on your keyboard to paste the link. Once you've pasted the URL, all that's left to do is to click on Add Calendar. And just like that, you're done. What you've essentially done is integrated your Trello calendar into your Google Calendar, allowing you to view and manage your tasks and deadlines from both platforms seamlessly. It's a real time saver and incredibly efficient because now you won't have to switch back and forth when planning your days or weeks. Bear in mind that syncing doesn't automatically update instantly. There might be a slight delay in seeing changes from Trello reflected in Google Calendar, but rest assured, they'll sync up soon enough. So, there you have it. A simple and effective way to enhance your productivity by keeping all your tasks neatly organized where you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.